We've got new text messages surfacing from former FBI official Lisa Page to former FBI Deputy Director Andrew McCabe. They show that the Obama White House, despite all of its denials, that it really was involved in the early stages of the Trump-Russia probe. One text from Lisa Page to Andrew McCabe on October 14th, 2016, before the election reads, quote, "Just called. Apparently the Deputy Attorney General now wants to be there. The White House wants the DOJ to host. So we are setting that up now. We will very much need to get Cohen's view before we meet with her. Better have him weigh in with her before the meeting. We need to speak with one voice if that is in fact the case." Another text exchange between Ms. Page and Mr. McCabe, again on October 19th of 2016, reads, quote, "Hey, can you give me a call when you get out? Meeting with White House counsel is finally set up, and I want to talk about timing." Catherine Herridge of Fox News was the first to bring this to light. So despite all of the denials, the White House, the Obama White House, was apparently involved at the very early stages of what was going on with Trump-Russia.